Hello everybody. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are new here or maybe you don't know, my name is Keisha, and this is not going to be a tutorial. I just came on to share something with you all to let you guys know why I have not been on lately, or I haven't uploaded a video lately. So as a lot of you know, and let me just say thank you so much for reaching out to me. A lot of you have reached out to me wanting to know if I was okay and if everything was all right, and I really appreciate that. But so I've shared with you guys that my son had been sick, and he's been sick off and on for a couple of months, and he's special needs. He had a whole bunch of medical issues, and on December the 17th he passed away. So we've been just having a difficult time, but I'm just so glad that he doesn't have to be in pain anymore and he's not suffering anymore, because he's been through so much in his short life. So I miss him. We miss him so much, but I just give God all the glory that he's in his arms. He's in God's arms. And it's gonna take me some time, but I will be back making videos. It's just gonna take a while, and it might not take as long as I think. I just right now, I just need a little bit of time, but I will eventually come back to making videos. So I just wanted to tell you guys that's why I've been missing, and my son's name's Caleb, and he was just the sweetest little boy. Just mixed in there was a little bit of attitude too. He was a teenager, so he had a little attitude. He was nonverbal and he couldn't walk, but he definitely got his point across to everybody. He could communicate with his eyes, but he was a smart young man, and he had a sense of humor. He had a beautiful smile, and he was just a sweet little boy. And anytime I ever thought I was having a bad day or that my day was just the worst, I'll look at him and he'll smile at me, and I'm like, oh, my day is okay. If he can smile every day, wake up and smile every day with everything he had going on, I'm okay. So I am definitely gonna miss him, and I love him so much. But you guys keep me in your prayers, or keep my family and everyone in your prayers. And thank you so much for watching. Oh, the wreath you guys saw at the beginning of the video, I made it for my son's funeral, but I didn't record myself making it. So I will leave a link in my description box to a very good tutorial that will show you exactly how to make that wreath. It's Kat's Creation, I believe Kat's Creations, and she's a very good teacher. She's very good, and so I'm gonna leave that link in my description box. And you guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. God bless.